Hey, welcome everyone. I had a question from a fellow practitioner in which he asked, how do I model a parallel process that can end prematurely? And so I thought this would be a good opportunity to have a short video describing the terminate event and how it can help end processes in parallel or any active tokens. So what you see here is our parallel process for a loan application for real estate. We have two active tokens, and as we complete our loan paperwork, we can use the terminate event based on the decision of the loan application to terminate active tokens in the event that our loan application is denied. And so what you'll see here is that that terminate event will actually cancel those tokens and your process will end at this point. A terminate event is just a dark circle within your end event. And so if we run this one more time, our loan process, this time we'll complete our application and but we'll also finish viewing our houses. And what you see here is the token merges into the parallel gateway, but it's still waiting for the other active token. And again, while we're waiting, we could deny, and so the terminate event again will cancel, or not cancel, but terminate any active tokens. So there you have it, how to use and model with a terminate end event. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.